Welcome back to another outdoor adventure. Last time you guys seen us, we were down at Newton Lake chasing some bass and crappie. Today, we are heading up to northern Illinois to do some smallmouth fishing. The weather's been abnormally warm for February and we've had some ice off on our main river systems. So today, Nick B and I are going to do just that. Enough of my rambling, let's get to it.
Yes. Nice one.
Yep. Double up. Double up.
Welcome back to yet again another outdoor adventure. I'm here with my boy Nick B. We got a beautiful river just behind us here. Objective today, smallmouth. You see some ice still floating back here. First ice off, February smallmouth here in Illinois. Hopefully it's gonna be an action-packed video. You guys stay tuned. We got some beautiful scenery, fog behind us. Let's get to it.
Yes.
Little elbow.
Bro.
Just focus on him. We'll get him. Oh, oh, shit. Okay, ready?
Yep. Are you kidding me right
My
now?
finger's stuck in there.
Oh, my bad.
Let's go. On that Ned bug, he wanted it, didn't he, folks? We're having to really work for these fish. I want Cody to explain to you guys how we're approaching this a little bit.
Another quality fish. We've really slowed down. Found the finesse baits are working better today out here. Nick really knows this stretch of river that we're fishing. So we honed in on some of these key areas. We're parking the boat a little bit higher, using our waders to get into some of these deeper holes, and it's producing some really quality fish. Bricked out smallmouth, February. Ice is still on some of these banks. I mean, we got ice back here behind us, and we're out here catching footballs. Let's get a release on this dude. Let's go, bro.
Nice one.
There you go. Here, coming. Alright, guys, wind's horrible. Same run right now. Take your time with him. Take your time. I'm gonna come on midway. Go. It's a short back.
Oh my God.
All right, right here, Cody. Right here. Right here. Come on, I need to see him.
Dude. Bro. It's rigged. Look. She gone.
Absolutely smoked it. The one I lost was a tubby too. Bro.
As you guys can see, the finesse presentation has definitely been key today.
The Ned bug from Great Lakes Finesse has definitely been the key to success. Working it slowly with the current, allowing it to take off every individual rock possible, triggering the most sensitive of bites. Quality gear really is a key factor this time of year. Invest a little more than you normally would on a rod and reel, and you would be surprised at the sensitivity differences at the variable price points.
We got our first, well, not our first nice fish of the day, but our nicest fish of the day so far. Caught him on that Great Lakes Ned bug, on that 1/8 ounce Great Lakes Ned. Beautiful fish. If this was the last one I catch today, it would definitely have made my day for sure. No doubt. See why I like to be on this side of it? Like you can actually like get in this pond. Watch out, Cody. I need to land him. Good fish, you guys. First cast in the hole. Dude, are you kidding me? Absolutely.
Oh, I love this shit.
It was literally my first cast in the hole. Let me take my glasses off. Today's one, just 1 ounce.
Good stuff.
But like, I don't know. I kind of learned with this hole because it's snaggy. I will hop it more and try to keep it off the bottom a little bit more and just rely on the fact that like the fish are just basically sitting in here.
Oh my God.
Dude.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Oh my God. Dude.
Yeah, like this is a.
Look at that, folks. Out here. Ice on the bank.
Dude.
I'm like, yeah, they like to be up in there. I'm like explaining the bite and just getting hammered.
Look at them. They're up there watching us.
I did see there was a boot print down here. He swallowed it, dude. There you go. Get him. Yep. Get him. Double up. Doubled up. Trying to get mine unhooked so I can help. Cody, look at him, dude.
Bro, this is the.
Yeah, get him over here. Check that out. Huh? Out here in February, doubling up on the side of the river. Ice still on the bank. That's what we do. That's what we do. Here, let's get a double up. Let's go in front of the Sony. It's on.
Dude, I love this shit. Am I on still?
Yeah.
Bro. You gotta do that to Tubby, man.
I just caught this nice smallmouth right there. Cody had to up the ante with a nice little supporting cast member. It's just been a beautiful day on the river. The wind's finally starting to die down. At least it's a little bit calmer in this bend. I know you guys don't got a wind muff on, so it's probably pretty bad for you. We're gonna get these fish unhooked, get some pics, and get the release. If you made it this far in the video, we appreciate it. It's been an absolute blast on the river. All right, let's get a little double up, just release right here on the sunny side. All right, folks. This has been an awesome day out here on the river in February. Ice is still on the bank right there. And we're just hammering smallmouth. Let's get this guy back in the water. Dude.
Your camera's soaked, bro.
I know the wind's starting to die down, but we've been catching these fish a couple different ways. One of the main ways today has been that Great Lakes Finesse Ned bug. You can get these on lurenet.com, Dick's Sporting Goods. Some Walmarts have them. I mean, you're starting to see these baits all over the place. They absolutely hammer fish, and you guys are seeing it firsthand. We still got ice on the bank back here, and we're catching big smallmouth here in February. So you cannot beat it. Discount code SA15. I'll drop that man's link in the description below as well. That is Nick B. We've been out here tearing them up today. Great Lakes Finesse products, tight ropes, jigs, and we've caught a couple on the cutter crawl as well. So it's been a good day. Died, but I just got on the board. First smallmouth of the year for myself. Nick has got one as well. We both have got one fish. We found a procedure that's working out for us. We've slowed down, really honed in on these fish. One of the things that I'm throwing is a 16th ounce finesse jig by Tight Ropes Fishing, and that is paired up with that cutter crawl. I got that on the Lews Carbon Fire and the 13 Defy rod. Got 10-pound braid to 8-pound fluoro leader.
Yes, bro. Hey.
Love him, G. Love him.
What a fish. Look at the markings on that thing. Jesus.
Okay. There we go. My mic's working now. Alright guys, the drone was just recording it. I don't know if the microphone on this camera was working. I was talking to it. If the audio is messed up. What a fish, man.
February. Ice is still on the ground behind us. I've said it 3 times. I can't get over it.
Alright, y'all. We're going to release the smallmouth that Cody just caught. And he was not wasting no time.
Right back to the hole.
Alright.
Good stuff, bro.
The sunlight is dwindling down. It's been a hell of a day out here with my boy Nick. One of the key baits today, once again, was that Great Lakes Finesse Ned bug, black in color, paired up with the 1/10 ounce or 10th ounce Ned head. We got that all on a 7-foot medium action 13 Defy rod, paired up with the Lews Carbon Fire, and then of course 10-pound braid to 8-pound fluorocarbon leader. Of course, that line and that braid combo helped us really feel those bites today in the high winds. Once again, if you made it this far in the video through all the windy, crappy audio and everything, we appreciate it. Really helps our channel grow, and if you haven't done so already, smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, drop a comment. We'll catch you on the next outdoor adventure.